Yo my friends, it's your boy from Smartphone Buzz USA. Bringing you the tech scoop that's hotter than the sun today. Got a brand new drop, Samsung in the game. The Galaxy S25 Slim is the name. Alright, folks, Samsung's bringing the heat. With not 3 but 4 phones, that's a big treat. S25 Slim, sliding in the scene. Slimmer than the rest, it's a techie dream. Now, here's the deal, it's thin like no other. 6.5mm, slimmer than its brothers. No leaks of the look, just rumors to chew. But next year's S26 might borrow its view. Hardware top tier, Snapdragon's elite. 6.66 inches of display, so sweet. Battery guessing, 4,700 mAh. Even in a slim body, that's a neat catch. And cameras, oh boy, they ain't slacking. 200 megapixel HP5 for some serious action. Ultra-wide, telephoto, 3.5x zoom. It's a slim beast, making rivals go boom. Price point's a mystery, but let me say. Cheaper than the Ultra, more than the Plus, okay. Dropping at Unpacked on January 22nd. But Q2's the wait before it's ready for you. So if you dig the vibe, hit that subscribe. Like and share, don't just slide. This is Smartphone Buzz USA, that's the plug. Stay in the loop, and show some love.